Hello, it's your girl, Twalico.
Hey, Chrissy.
So we're out here for a little fun. We're doing bowling. And it's so cute because you bowl with little tiny balls.
And the place is so cute.
Yes. So
Where's
that's what we're doing right now. All right.
So come along with me.
All right. So as you can see, this place is live. All right. So just out here, about to do some bowling. So it's cute. So if you're ever in North Carolina, maybe you should check it out.
So beer pong and green.
And what's the I think it's bowling mechanical or ball mechanical, but I beat her again, 90-0.
I got more than 90 points. I got more than 90 points.
I'm a beast in these streets. That's what I keep telling her. I'm just a beast in the streets. This is the game. Yes, I'm playing against Marvin. No, I'm playing against Marvin. You know what I'm saying? I beat Beans out here. Yo. Yes, I won. What is it? Christina, do you want me to beat you again? Beast want me to beat you again? That's what I'm trying to say. You know, it's a beast. That's it. I got everything. Eva, you a bowler. Eva is a bowler. All right, Eva, get that one. Get that one, Eva. All right, hello. This is Swala, aka Sissico. All right, so we're here at Max Barbecue Restaurant, and we're about to get some good old barbecue. So I decided to take you guys along with me. All right, so I'm gonna show you what I get in there, and I'm gonna make sure you get a little bite. Okay? So we're chilling. We're chilling. Nice vibes. Good vibes on. Alright, so now I'm trying the cream corn. Cream corn. Haven't had this in a long time. Alright, one for you. One for me. I will try these collard greens. Alright, here's the collard greens. One for you.
So it full of the bone. Is it full of the bone? Wow, right off. What are you talking about?